Alright guys, so this slide right here should be pretty straightforward for you hopefully. On the last slide you guys chose your x values and then you turned them into expressions. So all we're doing here is we're taking those expressions that we had from the last slide, which are basically those two parentheses side by side. Those are your two expressions. We're just setting them equal to y. And that's what you're just going to type in those expressions where it says type here. Now the only thing it also says is make sure that you consider if you want your parabola to open up or down when you write this equation. So what's going to determine that is the sign right outside these parentheses. And you'll see right here that I chose to make my sign negative. And what that negative sign does is that makes my parabola open down. So if you do not include a negative sign right here outside the parentheses, like where I have that red one, if that's not there, the parabola opens up. If that negative sign is there, it opens down. So I included a negative sign to make my parabola open down, and then I took my two expressions from my last slide, and it's this stuff right here that I would be typing in where it says type here. Good luck as you guys move forward.